Introducing the 10-function Risque Tulip, a sleek, super slim and powerful vibe with 10 sensational functions of vibration, pulsation, and escalation. The Risque Tulip is made of a safe and pure hard plastic with a velvet coat, and the stylish end cap is the same material, silver-plated. It's 5 3/4 inches long and 1 inch wide, making it long, slim, and ultra-feminine. This powerful vibe with pinpoint stimulation and enlarged head is perfect for all-over stimulation. It's easy to use. Just press the button inset on the end cap to cycle through the 10 sensational functions. Press the button for 3 continuous seconds to turn your vibe off. This Risque Tulip has a state-of-the-art memory chip which resumes the last function used. This vibe uses 2 AAA batteries and comes in black, purple, or blue. Your Risque Tulip is also waterproof for fun in and out of the water. To increase your pleasure, be sure to use a quality lube like California Exotic Novelties Universal Lube. And don't forget to clean your Risque Tulip with California Exotic Novelties brand Universal Toy Cleaner. Slim, sleek, and sophisticated. The 10-function Risque Tulip.